command is transferred to in a development is called what? Element line, aux line, dimension line, stretch out line. It's the stretch out, correct.
What?
Most of the answers are D.
What is the maximum length of a line created using the horizontal command?
Across the screen.
The length, who said the length of the screen? The purpose of the
Across the screen, a maximum length of a line.
The purpose of the selection menu is to help you select and position on an entity, one or more entities, the correct command for creating entities, the method of X-forming entities.
One or more.
The correct command for creating entities. The purpose of the selection menu. Correct command for creating entities. The blank lists the sequence of commands which you have used. Prompt, status, break function, history. Already used, correct. This one, I don't know if we did it, but put it down. To change the width of text characters. I don't think we did this. Without changing the height. What do you change? NH, DB, NF, or AS?
What?
It's AS. Aspect ratio. Current text aspect. So it's AS if you want to change the width, but not the height.
Yo, I'm running out of time on this thing.
Alright, when using an axis for rotation, CAD key looks at that axis to determine rotation from A, the first point selected as an axis endpoint, to the second endpoint selected, B, the second point as an axis to the first point, C, always into the screen, D, always out of the screen. It is A, correct.
What was A?
You have put a configuration using create line endpoints cursor. Each line has an X end at the end of it. How to remove those X's? What do we use?
Escape.
Control R is correct, yes. The menu options window, the CAD key main menu will what? Display a history line, prompt you into data, allow you to manipulate all aspects of your drawing creation.
The last one.
That is correct.
Oh, I'm running out of time.
It's the main menu. Oh, really?
You wish to
Yeah.
trim two entities that intersect and extend beyond their intersection. You are in the command edit trim extend first. You first select A, the trimming entity, B, the entity that extends beyond the intersection, C, the entity you wish to keep.
The entity you wish to keep.
That's the one.
It's
Correct.
all D. All
Good.
the last one.
A representation of a three-dimensional object such that all of its surfaces are visible on a single plane is called a developmental theory. True or false?
Yes, true.
That's the developmental theory. It is true. Correct. The true size of the top surface in the development of a truncated object can be obtained from what? Top view, side view, front view, aux view.
Aux
It is
view.
the aux view. Correct. The blank of a prism is measured off along the stretch out line. The blank of a prism. The width, altitude, depth, or the perimeter? It is the perimeter, the base. Correct. The altitudes of the lateral surfaces for development are obtained from a blank view.
No.
Front, top, side, isometric, front and side.
Front and side?
It is front and side.
I'll send you the notes for the
Front and side.
Yeah.
Easy one. An
I hate
angular
you.
cut with respect to the base of a prism is called what? Cutting plane, transition, miter,
Oh,
truncation.
it's going away.
Correct.
I don't have much time left.